Amidst the greenlands of Kerala, a southern state of India, alongside the Punnamada Lake, lies the district of Ayyappan. The day starts early for Anish, starting his usual early morning preparations to climb coconut trees along with a special knife called the chettukatti and a container for chettumannu, a particular kind of mud. He sets out, picking up a vessel, kudukka, to collect toddy, locally known as kallu, an indigenous alcoholic beverage created from the sap which is extracted from the inflorescence of coconut trees. Toddy tappers, famous as Chettukaran, usually live near coconut farms with their families. Toddy and toddy tapping are closely associated with Kerala's tradition. The process of climbing various trees in a day for toddy tapping is an art to excel, which requires Anish to gain practice, patience, and expertise over the years. Toddy tappers like Anish have to distribute a daily minimum quantity to toddy shops, the local kallu shop. Meanwhile, Subhash begins his journey to fish for his toddy shop. These shops are local bars which specialize in serving delicious, fresh cooked dishes along with toddy, as drinking toddy is incomplete without the special toddy shop food. There are various ways to fetch fish. Subhash chooses the method of net fishing. The artistry of net fishing helps Subhash in collecting a huge quantity of fish at once. It requires a set of skilled hands to pick up the fish from the net. He then heads back to the toddy shop with the day's catch. A toddy tapper has to climb the same coconut tree thrice daily, in the morning and evening to collect toddy, and in the afternoon to slow down the sap from dripping as it helps the tree to recover. Anish is ready for the morning tap, locally known as Pularichittu. During the morning shift, he has to massage the stem and cut new unopened buds of the flower, leaving 95% remaining on the tree. The whole bud is then beaten and pounded with a traditionally femur bone of goat to make the bud swollen. Each new bud can be used until it ceases to provide sap or if it gets infected. A good bud can last even a year. The cut bud is bound and secured tightly with tender coconut leaf ahead of the cut bud so that the stem doesn't break because of the constant beating. He cuts the tip of the stem again with precision and pulls out a leaf from the tree. Cuts it at a certain angle to be put on the stem in such a way that the sap gets a direction to be dripped in the clay pot. Chettamannu is applied on the cut portion as it holds the sap and makes the bud ooze sap, also not allowing it to go dry and heal. The air pressure game between the mud and the clay pot that helps the sap to come out. The same steps are repeated daily: cutting, beating and chettamannu application. Raw material for Subhash's Toddy shop are procured from various sources. Some fish are procured from the lake, river and sea. There are other fish which are bought as well. Fish for Subhash's Toddy shop is bought regularly from Anandan, the fisherman who sells fish on a boat. While the price is paid to the fisherman, he is offered a glass of toddy as well. Through such offerings, Kerala's tradition of social interaction and well-being is kept intact, as Toddy is a relaxant for workers and fishermen. The Toddy shop uses a variety of food items to cook. The vegetarian raw food items include banana, tapioca, small onion, cucumber, carrots, potatoes, tomatoes, tamarind and different pulses. For non-vegetarian items, variety of fish are the major raw items used, as it goes well along with the toddy. Fish is cleaned, cut and sliced properly for various kinds of dishes. The other non-vegetarian items include pork, crabs, prawns and shrimps. In the afternoon shift, locally known as Uchchachitta, Anish chips out the tip of the stem to slow down dripping, as it is healthy for the stem. This process happens in all three shifts. Cooking has started in the Toddy shop. Coconuts are used in the dishes, as it gives a certain added flavor which goes amazingly well with the Toddy. All the dishes are prepared with coconut oil itself. The food for the day is prepared in huge vessels with a huge amount of smoke oozing out. The Toddy shop offers well-flavored curries, which are tangy and spicy. The food items include fish curry, fish fry, crab curry, duck curry, pork curry, shrimp, prawn and squid dishes, served along with mashed tapioca and rice. Fire for the cooking is kindled with dry coconut shells. Anish is ready for his third shift, the Andichettu, along with his kuduga, to collect Toddy in the evening. He touches the tree to seek blessing, and in a way allowing him to safely climb the tree. Although he is skilled in climbing several coconut trees thrice a day, every day since years, accidents can still happen. He takes out the pot meticulously and pours the toddy, collected effortlessly in the kudaka tied on his waist. He repeats the task of cutting the stem with his sharp knife, puts chettamanna and places the pot again for the next day. The clay pot is put back in such a fashion that it covers half of the bud so that the sap drips into the clay pot. The time has come to sip the fresh toddy. Toddy tasting is more like a ritual in this part of the world. Freshly extracted toddy is sweet in taste and is called madura kallu. Plates are adorned, ready to be served with a variety of food items, along with spicy pickles and various other delicious meat preparations. Anish goes on to repeat toddy tapping for other trees. 1 to 1.5 liters of toddy can be extracted from each tree. He then goes ahead with his daily routine of distributing toddy to the shop owners. Toddy is stored in glass bottles or in cylindrical containers made out of cane. Within 2 hours, fermentation starts naturally, providing toddy the aromatic brew of up to 4% alcohol content, mildly intoxicating and sweet. The toddy may be allowed to ferment longer, up to a day, for a stronger, more sour and acidic taste, which some people prefer. Toddy is high in nutrients, including potash, and contains no chemicals. The idea behind all toddy shops is to serve a hot, spicy dish with a sour brewed toddy as a great combination. And for all of this to run smoothly, Anish goes on his daily routine to procure toddy, God's own Amrit.